Hello everybody, it's Devin. If you ever made a UI in Unity, you know the pain. Everything looks fine on your reference resolution and then boom, your buttons fly on the screen, the text overlaps and suddenly your perfect menu looks broken on another device. Well, I'm here to tell you you don't need to struggle for responsive UI. Unity already gives you everything you need to make your interface scale beautifully on any screen. You just have to use it in right way. Okay, let's do this together. Okay, let's start like this. I have prepared a menu UI here in 1920 in 1080. So we have two buttons, one in top left, it is a green button, and the purple one on top right. We have a white space area in the center and a red area that I'm going to use it as a slider to slide left and right horizontally. Okay, to solve the problem, first you have to select your canvas, then you have to change the render mode to a screen space camera, and after that you have to assign your main camera here. Then in the canvas scaler, the UI scale mode should be scale with screen size, and here we have reference resolution that I have made my screen on 1920. Okay, in the next step you have a screen match mode and it will be work to how much screen will scale from width and height. So most of the time I set on 0.5 because I want to scale from both width and height with same value. In the next step I have to change the anchors from each rect transform. Let's start with top left and top right buttons. Here I need to stick the top left all the time on our resolutions. So I'm going to set it on top left on anchors. And I'm going to do the opposite things for top right. There we go. And let's test it. I'm going to scale up here and they are fixed. And then maybe higher and they are fixed and even lower. Okay, all set. Now, as you can see, we have a problem on blue area again. We'll lose the area in here and here. Okay, let's back to our reference and I'm going to select the blue area. Here we go. That's a white and that's a blue. Okay, because it's an all area and it's going to be full, I'm going to set it on a scratch blue area. And now everything is set and you have to check it again. There we go. Here, here, and here. Everything is set. Okay, now I'm going to use it on white area. The white area is going to be fixed exact same area on all devices. So manually I set it here and here and here. It's all set. So let's test it again. Here and here and here. Okay, everything's set, and if you don't need to set it exactly same, you can leave it on the center. For example, here as a default, and here you can see this on the center. So let's test it again. As we can see, it's completely perfect. Okay, and the red area is completely easy. You have to just set on the button at the center. So you want to stick here together all the time. There we go. Here, here, and here. And that's it. No more fighting with anchors or fixing your UI one resolution at a time. Keep things clean, use smart anchors, and let Unity handle the rest. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.